Summer season. During these days, the sun shines very brightly. The summer season is followed by the monsoon season. The days are very hot and long. June 22nd is the longest day of the year. The afternoons are very hot as the sun is over our head at the temperature often reaches up to 45 degrees centigrade. We like to sit in a cooler place. We drink lot of water and we wish to have cold drinks and ice creams. We wish to spend the summer season at hill stations. We use air cooler in summers. The summer season is from the month of April to June. People prefer to wear cotton clothes. They eat light food.